Today my wife is going to show us how to prepare spring rolls Vietnamese style. So here we have our boiled noodles, rice noodles. So what she's doing right now is wetting it in water. Just filtered water or tap water is fine. Water both sides, wet it real good. That way it maintains its moisture, it doesn't turn hard. And this is what we're using, super thin rice paper. Bán chanh siêu mỏng. Okay. She's coating it very carefully. And the ingredients we are using are romaine lettuce, parsley, cilantro, bean sprouts, and I don't know what these are called, but it's some type of Asian vegetables.
This is fish meat. Fish meat.
Fish meat.
Fish.
And we cut this boiled shrimp into 2½ pieces. That way it looks better. That's what the trick that restaurants use. If they just put one whole one, first of all, it's too big. But when you cut it, slice it in smaller pieces or in half, it makes it appear there's more to it. So she's basically breaking down the mayonnaise. This is what I helped cut in half, okay? See? Just preparing it like so. And here we also have some boiled pork belly. Alright, see how just carefully laying out all the ingredients. Make sure everything is even. You don't want to put too much, you don't want to put too little. So imagine something that's going to roll into that. So you want to make sure all the ingredients are there. See, generous amount. Make sure you use a little bit every. So you're going to fold it on each side. So this is round, right? So just fold it on each side, similar to rolling an egg roll. And then you roll it from the inward, roll it into a cylinder. Get all the ingredients in there. As you're rolling, you want to also compact it together. Otherwise, it will become loose. Roll it into a shape. See? It will automatically stick. So the water acts as like a glue. Because with the rice paper, it automatically sticks together. See? There's a finished product. And we're taking that with us to New Year's party tonight.
Maybe
And when you're done, what you want to do is wrap it in saran wrap to preserve the softness of the skin. Otherwise, if you just leave it open in the refrigerator, it's going to become hard. Well, my wife put in a lot of hard work, and we have 20 spring rolls right here that we can take with us to the party. Look at how beautiful these look. Wow. And I've tasted one, it's delicious. Good job.
Thank you, guys.
You stand pretty close to
Let's
it.
see what we're having to celebrate New Year's.
It's not there yet.
Year of the horse. We made some crab rangoon.
It's not that yet. In the dark. In the dark, yeah. In the dark, you wouldn't be able to see.
Pickled
But
chicken
like,
feet.
that was round.
Lotus.
Yeah.
No, you can't.
See?
Like the wheels, like it's really like this, right? The wheels are like slanted.
Salmon, big salmon. Nanjing salt chicken.
You did it, no?
Some cucumber.
Me too.
Vegetable. Shrimp.
Little bit.
Mushroom stir fry. Broccoli. Steamed pork ribs. And we made some Vietnamese spring rolls.
感謝我哋再先嘅扶上，今日係26年嘅
Let's pray.
元旦這一日。